In the last video we saw the for loop. Now in this video we are going to see the example of for each loop. So for each loop basically when we use is basically with the arrays. If you have a lot of data that is in array form, for each is the best loop you can use to display the data. So what I do here to show you the example, I create here array. So I say players, and I'm going to say player like some names here. So Mark, I think that's enough. So we have these players. Now I want to show these using for each loop. So the syntax for each loop is simple. We say for each, and here we are going to pass the players. So we're going to say here $players. Now we will say as, and you can give it it's going to be key, and then the value $value. All right, you can this is the format actually. So you have a key here and the value here. However, you can give them any name. So if you want, you can call this value player, but for now I'm gonna show you, so I'm just gonna put value here. So I'm gonna say here echo $value, and I want to show it vertically, so I will concatenate a break. So PR, save, go here, refresh, we have the names here. Now if I go to, we can say it this way as well. So if I say here player, all right, so save this, it works just okay. So player, and here it's supposed to be player because I changed there, so it's supposed to be changed here too. Refresh, we have the names. Now the key is the index. So we have this index here like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's something like that. So if you want to, so I can put here to demonstrate, and this is going to be concatenation again. Then refresh. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's total 6 players we have, and 0 in array. So that's why it's showing 0. Now, if in some case you can still use the key and display number wise. You won't see 0 for a player. We have 6 players, so you can say here, for example, simply $key. Let's say $new key, and we say $key plus 1, and then we copy this $new key, and now it's going to show 1 to 6. So you can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this way you can display your content. So you get the idea. Basically, this is the index. So you can use it in your data if you want to use it. If you want to show like this, and it's a key value pair. So if you want to use the value, you can use it this way. Syntax of for each loop. Yeah, we will see more example of it, and with the complex data, and so you will get the understanding how good for each loop is to deal with the data when it comes with complex and associative or nested arrays. But it's going to be in the upcoming videos. Hope you like this video, and see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.